In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this wireless IP camera. Conico sent me this camera to unbox and review. So this camera you can view via phone, HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, moving targeting, and sound detection. This product is good for home security, office security, baby care, elder care, pet care, and store surveillance. Here's some specifications and function statement: high definition, AZ mobile Wi-Fi setup, 32-feet clear night vision at the dark conditions, smart alert to your mobile device, pan tilt zoom, two-way audio, and remote control and view. And now let's see what's inside the box. Installation guide. Looks like mounting hardware, charging brick, USB cable, power cable, and looks like some more hardware. And then the camera itself. As you can see on the camera, looks like there is a light, actual lens. I think this is an audio mic. And then there's a micro SD slot, Ethernet cable so it can be hardwired as well, reset button, and micro USB for power. It's a nice little looking camera, kind of looks like a little droid. So to set up this camera, we need to go to App Store and then we need to download this MIPC software, or we can just Google it, or if we will scan this QR code, it will take us to website and then we can go to either App Store or Google Play Store, whatever phone or device you're using. So we're going to download really quick. Once the download is complete, we need to press on open. Then right here, I'm going to press OK. I'm going to allow, and I'm going to allow here as well. So we have to create an account with them. So I'm going to just press sign up, enter some kind of username, and then password, and then press on sign up. And then you can set up bind with the email for security purpose. But at this time, I'm going to skip. I'm just going to press on sign in now and then sign in here. So then once we're going to get to this screen, device list, we're going to press on this little plus. And then in here, it's going to give us options. So this is all the products that they offer. They have cameras, a record box, some other products, and then plugs. So since we are adding PTZ camera, we're just going to choose that. And now we have to power on camera and keep it close to a router. We just have to make sure your camera can reach to Wi-Fi, and also they recommend to check if your Wi-Fi has 2.4 gigahertz frequency. These days, most of the routers are still running on 2.4. So I'm gonna go ahead, plug it in. And then while it's booting, I'm gonna press next. And then right here, it's stating that MICP would like to access your camera. I'm going to press OK, because what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to scan this QR code. And then in here, we're going to choose Wi-Fi connection. I'm going to allow here. And then I'm going to press OK. And then we have to enter Wi-Fi password. And then next.
Waiting for receiving the wireless config information.
So now it's asking us to put our phone next to our camera.
1 moment. Config successfully.
And as you can see, device was added successfully. Press on confirm. And that's it. You can see our camera is connected and we can pull it up right here. So if we press on it, now it's telling us that we need to set up our time zone. We're going to do this later. And then device password, set up device password. And then next. And then we can give it a name, or we can skip this. I'm going to skip for now. So with this camera, we can store recording in a cloud Or if we'll use micro SD card, unfortunately it doesn't come with a micro SD card, so you have to purchase separately. So right here I'm just gonna press on open later, and that's it. And then you can press on camera, and then we'll choose SD, and it says device is not inserted into SD. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna insert my SD card in here. Hopefully it will recognize. Maybe I'll just have to reboot the device for it to recognize the SD. And if we go to camera, so right here we have a couple options. We have audio, then it turns echo, and then we have settings. You can adjust the mode, brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness, and then the quality, auto, HD, standard, and smooth, and then we can put in a full screen. And then you can pan, tilt, zoom over here just on a screen. So what you need to do, you just need to kind of like scroll down, and it's gonna move camera down or up. So for example, right here, as you can see, I'm moving to the left or right, and as you can see, the actual camera is moving. So let me put it right here. And you can go to the left, right, up, and down. And you can see this is my camera, the one that I used to record. The touch on it is okay. I wouldn't say it's the best one. It would be nicer if they would have like some kind of toggle joystick right here, but it still works, it's still not bad. So this is what it looks like from the side, and when you're actually controlling the camera, or when you're moving from left to right, you can see the way it's moving, and you can actually move camera almost 360 degrees. I think the max is 350. And vertical, it's 100 degree. So let's go back home, and then up and down. As you can see, it's going down, and then we can bring it all the way up. And let's check the night vision really quick. I'm gonna turn the light off, and I'm gonna see how IR is gonna work. As you can see, right now in my room, it's completely dark. Can't really see anything, but you could see IR is actually picking up. So if you wanna use this camera either as baby monitor or something else, you're gonna be able to see at night actually very well. I was actually very impressed with the AR quality. And if you really like this product, and if you really like the quality of it, for example, I really do, I think it's very crispy and sharp. You can also add many other devices. For example, if you go back into the device list, you can purchase from the same company. You can buy fixed cameras, you can buy outdoor bullet cameras, outdoor dome, and if we press on other, there's probably even more products. I'm gonna leave link to this website in the description below. Thanks to Conico for sending me this camera to unbox and review. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.